Guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving 1207 unique number of occurrences. So, given an array of integers r, return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. So here, true, the value of 1 has occurred 3 times, the 2 has occurred 2 times, and 3 has occurred once. No values have the same number of occurrences. And then here, 1, 2, so each one was occurred once, so it's not unique. So to jump right ahead, we're going to use a counter. So we're going to do count equals counter array. So what this is going to go ahead and do is going to count the occurrences of each number. And then we're going to do for I in count dot count dot values. And then what we're going to have here is we're going to have a set that we're going to add to. So let's call it s equals, I'll do set. And then we'll do if I in s return false, so that means that that occurrence has happened before. And then so if it's not in set, we would do s dot add I. And then we would, at the end, we would return true. Alright, this is my first time doing it, so let's see if it works. Submit. Maybe it's not. I've done it before. Alright, it's decently fast. Well, let me see when I've done it before. All submissions. Okay, so I did this a couple of months ago. And you guys can see I stepped up 18 from 43. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll post another tomorrow. Bye, guys.